Hello everybody, here's a quick introduction to the week 2 assignment 2. It'll be a little bit different than the program from week 1 because instead of creating a console application, you will actually be creating a GUI application, and the choice you will make instead of console application, you will choose Windows Forms application. The scenario for the program is to create a payroll program. You will have on your form places where they can enter in their name, address, hourly pay rate, number of hours worked, and then the user will submit a button, and after they submit that button, results will be displayed. It can be the gross pay, but for sure it needs to be the net pay. Now, all the calculation will be done, however, different than your console application. You don't just have code. You will have to learn how to work with these different objects that are on your form. One thing is when you double click a button on your form, that's when you would enter in the code. However, your code, when specifying the different parts of your form, you have to use object-oriented programming notation. This is what you will do when you go into Visual Studio. You will start it up as normal, make sure it's Visual C Sharp, and then you would choose Windows and Windows Forms application. After you make this selection, you will see a new form on your screen. This is where you then will design the form. You will add things like labels and text boxes and buttons for then your form to be used for the payroll program. The toolbox is where you will get all your controls. The main ones you will be using will be labels, text boxes, and buttons. The property list. Every control has a property list. So when you click on the form, you will see then the property list for the form. There are various things that you can change or set. Right now you can use the default. However, if you wish, you can change Form 1. If you notice at the top of yours,